Alright, this is a set of replacement 18mm lug watch bands. They were sent to me to review for free. If you wanted to purchase them, they would cost you about $9. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. So these are quick release bands, which means they have this little poppy thing there, and then they can pull apart like so. And they will go on a watch, and I think they might be packed upside down. I think this might be supposed to be on the outside. I'm not certain of that, but just the way it looks here makes me think that that should maybe be on the outside. So I believe this is the side that would be facing your wrist. So they have three colors: a black, kind of green, and a blue. So we're going to be replacing the band on this watch, and this band does not have the quick release pins like these guys do, so you would need to either break those pins or have a tool to get those pins out of the way here. So if you have a tool that looks kind of like this little fork thing, you can go in, grab the pin behind the shank, and then push it in like that. Now luckily, these guys have quick release pins, so you don't need to do that to get them back in. You just get one side in, push this in, and as soon as you get that thing locked in place, it's ready to go. Same deal on the other side. The only difference is the little lever is on the opposite side. And that's all it takes to put that on. Then we will put this through here and under there, and you have your quick release watch band in place. So I was a little hesitant when I saw this release mechanism because I was worried it might come off. But it looks like if you have the thing snapped tight enough so that when you push this under, this is relatively tight against your wrist, that it's going to be pretty hard for that thing to come off. Now if it does get popped off, it'll just loop open and fall.